learn how to make any flavored milk teas. In this case, we're gonna use strawberry milk tea. My name is Christopher. I'm part of the Epoch team where we sell Boba supplies like boduos and also packaging for any takeout food or any restaurant. Today we're gonna use strawberry powder, non-dairy creamer, water or milk of choice. In this case, I'm gonna use milk to get a better flavor, and fructose. For the preparation, we're gonna start with a shaker, 50 milliliters of hot water just to dissolve the powders, then 3 spoons of the strawberry powder or 30 grams. 1, 2, 3. 1 spoon or 10 grams of creamer. Fructose, that in this case is 15 grams. We mix. We add the cold milk or any milk of choice and ice. For this drink, we're not gonna shake it because of the milk, and we don't want the drink to be too foamy. Now that it's cold, we're gonna set it on the side, and this step is optional. We're gonna get a cup and we're gonna use some strawberries and smash them. We can add our drink and top it off with some more ice. Now we have a completed strawberry milk tea. You can buy all of these ingredients and supplies like the spoons on our online store.